Today we'll be demonstrating how to replace a Kenlin Right Track 2 drawer guide with Swisco's 32-053 drawer track kit. For this repair, we'll be using a measuring tape, Phillips head screwdriver, a level, and the 75-023 adjustable hacksaw. If you have a drawer that's not working properly and upon inspection you notice you have a broken Right Track 2 guide, it may be time to update your track system. Using Swisco's 32-053 Complete Drawer Track Kit is a great replacement option. The kit includes all the components for one drawer, including a track guide, a track mounting bracket, 2 corner guides, and a metal track that can be used for depths up to 22 3/4 inches. To get started, remove the old track system, including the rail fastened to the drawer and the rail fastened to the furniture. If the furniture has a ledge on the back where the track used to sit, go ahead and remove that as well. Once the old track system is completely removed, use a measuring tape to confirm that the existing hole is centered, or drill a new hole if necessary. Then measure the depth of your furniture by placing a measuring tape against the adjustable mount and marking off the approximate center of the front ledge, and record your measurement. Use the measurement to mark off the spot on the rail where it will be cut to fit. Use a hacksaw like the 75-023 and cut to size. Place the mounting bracket on the rail and fasten the rail to the front ledge. Use a level to determine the correct height of the mounting bracket and mark the locations for your screws. Fasten the bracket to the back of the furniture and, if necessary, use a piece of wood on the opposite side to reinforce the mounting location. Once the track is installed, measure the center line of the back of the drawer and attach the track guide. Slide the drawer back into place to complete this project. For this part and more, visit us at Swisco.com.